From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
2025 NECO Maths, and it's on standard form. It says evaluate 0.0035 over 0.210, leaving your answer in standard form. So what we have to do here is to convert each of them in standard form and then divide. 0.0035 in standard form, you move to the front, 1, 2, 3. Since we move 3 times, this will be 3.5 times 10. Since we move from the left to the right, it will be -3. And 0.210 in standard form, move 1. So this is 2.1 times 10 raised to the power minus 1. And so if you were to divide this, this is 3.5 times 10 to the power minus 3 over 2.1 times 10 to the power minus 1. I can divide this with this separately and then use the laws of indices to simplify this. So if I divide this with this, I will get 1.666 times, from laws of indices, when I'm dividing two numbers with the same base, I subtract their powers. So this will be 10 to the power minus 3 minus 1. And so since from the option this is approximated to 2 decimal place, this to 2 decimal place is simply 1.6. Since this is up to 5, we'll round up, and this will be 7 times 10 minus 3 minus is plus 1. So this is 1.67 times 10 minus 3 plus 1 is simply minus 2. So this is minus 2. And so the correct option is V. Thank you for watching.